So recently, this video popped up on my feed. Knowing how broke I am at the moment, the thumbnail and title caught my complete attention. Like, can I literally make money by simply watching YouTube videos? I mean, I am on YouTube 24/7 watching stupid videos for free, and this guy said I can actually get paid, so I clicked it. Of course, why not? And this is what this YouTuber taught me. First, I need to go to YouTube and find a video with an eye-catching thumbnail, or a video that is most likely to be viewed, like cute cats. No, forget the cats. Let's go with scary animals. So I choose this one. Look at this. Is it a bat? What the hell is this thing? I am sure people would want to watch this. This YouTuber said I need to head over to Google and search for YouTube thumbnail grabber, then copy the scary video link and paste it there so I can grab this thumbnail real quick. Then head to Canva and create something like a thumbnail. By using the thumbnail I just grabbed, apply a rectangular shape on top, make it black, then change the transparency to 60. Then add a play button and download it. This guy also told me to head to Google Sites, create an empty site, upload the thumbnail I created, then leave it open for now. So now we are almost set. Right, we need to go to the site called mylead.global and create a content locker. There's where our money is, and I will show you in a sec. First, we need to sign up and activate our account, then create a new content locker, which is a captcha locker in this case. So, name the locker, select the unlocking action to redirection. Paste the scary video URL as your redirecting link. Look, I'm just doing what the YouTuber told me, alright? Set the access time to 360 minutes, then click on Advanced Setting and set the maximum number of offers to 8, and click Save. Then click here to add offers to this locker so that viewers will have to complete these offers to watch the video. We copy the embedded code, then we head back to Google Sites and insert the code to make it look like this. Add the warning, sensitive content here, to catch people's attention and make them want to watch the video. So this site is like the connection from our traffic source to YouTube, but they will have to complete the offers first to view the video. But the big question is, where do we get our traffic? Pinterest. So we go back to Canva to create a Pinterest pin. Use the same scary video image, add the title here, download the pin, then go to Pinterest. Once on Pinterest, create a new pin, put your title and description, and press Save. Don't forget to add the Google site we created as a destination link from your pin. But this pin will be forgotten before I can say the word mom. We need to make this pin reach as many people as possible if we really want to make money. So we head to this site called like Hits, where you can get likes, views, and followers by collecting points. We first collect points, then add our Pinterest pin. I have enough points to start. So I hover over to Add Sites, select Pinterest Saves, Add Pin, then select the amount of points you offer for a single save, then wait for the money. This is how it works. When people save your pin, it will reach more people, and they are going to want to watch the scary animals video. When they click on the link, the Google Sites page will display, asking them to prove they are not robots. By doing so, these offers would display asking them to download or install apps and make us some money. As you can see, it has been 3 days already, and I haven't made any money. I was promised almost $6 for every minute watched. It appears to be a rejected commission here. Maybe someone almost installed the app. Anywho, everything looks good here. As you can see, I got over 2,000 saves, so I can confidently say my pin reached enough people. Maybe I needed more days, but the tasks were hard. People needed to install apps and then play to reach certain points for a video. They can easily copy the title and search for it on YouTube. This method doesn't worth your time. I'm sure there are other methods out there for me to test, so you don't have to waste your time. Please stay with me as I embark on this journey of testing different methods of making money online as taught by YouTubers.